Mugomo wa atwarithia ndege kambuni ya ukuui wa ndege ya Kenya Airways ni wingirire thiko ya gatatu umuthi. Kambuni ni igithii na mbere na gutara hathara ya mamirioni ma mbeca maria iratungio ni thabari cia ndege hakuhi ciothe kurugama. Alan Kilavuka niwe murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya KQ, riu akionania kwaga itanya o riothe ria kumatha miario na atwarithia aya ndege, agitariria makinya matiganite maria kambuni ino yoete na ari guikara riera-ini.
By 2 p.m. this afternoon, we have already restored about 20% of our network. This is about 18 flights out of JKIA, that's from here, carrying about 2,000 passengers to Addis. That is 2 flights to Johannesburg, to Entebbe, Mombasa 2 flights, Dar es Salaam, Harare, Lusaka, and then London.
Kumana na ndugamano ya miaho yeri, riu kambuni ino niyaniriire mieke ya mawira kuri atwarithia ndege, riu ikioria atwarithia ndege gutuma marua ma wira, riri kioneka ta ikinya ria kuhahura atwarithia ndege aria mari mugomo-ini.
Also advertised today for recruitment of pilots, both captains and first officers, so would like to urge Kenyans and other pilots who would like to join us to please apply.
Ona gutuika no atwarithia na ndege marerikana gukorwo wira-ini ihinda riri, kambuni ino nitariirie mageria mayo magutigirira ukuui nduna tharara makiria.
Let go back to work before we have any other discussion, because the longer they stay out there, the more we don't have money to pay even their salaries. So they need to go back to work if they want this airline to continue functioning.
Itua ria kurugamia atwarithia aya wira niriukirirwo ni atwarithia ndege aria mari mugomo-ini, riu makiorota KQ ni kiria marauga ni kinya ria kugeria kumaima kihoto kiao.
They have made it clear that they will not meet until our members resume their duties, yet this is contrary to the spirit of negotiation of a return to work formula that is founded on dialogue.
Makiaria kuhitukira ngwataniro yao ya KALPA, atwarithia ni morotete KU ni kurega kunanira njung'wa nao, riu makiuga ona thengia mageria mao magwetha giikaro nao gutire umithio monete.
Persistent harassment and intimidation towards pilots agitating for their rights serves more to agonize than inspire confidence.
Ngwataniro ya aruti wira ya kotu nayo ni igirire ndeto ino, riu ikioria ministry ya ukuui kweherera miario gatagati ka miaho yeri no arandirio tabanio kuhitukira njira ingi.
Whenever there is any industrial dispute of the nature that we have today, we must always try to give dialogue a chance.
Kurigana na munini wa mwandiki munene Benson Okwaro, miario ni fatie kuheberio hatari kwagagia mwena o wothe, riu Okwaro akiuga hari bata makaya matwarithia ndege makorwo magithikiririo.
We have very difficult economic times in this country and we are all aware, and KQ is part of the team that can help sustain the economic problem that we have.
Ndugamano gatagati ka atwarithia ndege na urugamiriri wa kambuni ya ukuui wa ndege ya Kenya Airways riu icungiriirie kura kwa mamirioni ma mbeca. Ino ario hathara iria yandikithia iguru ria hathara iria kambuni ni ikoretwo igithondeka hari o mwaka wa kigina. Andu-ini a Kameme TV ritwira ko ni Mbataru wa Mwangi.